When you love someone, it's natural, not demanding. And that's one thing I'm proud to say I found in you. I'm so glad we reached an understanding. Now I know my heart is safe with you. Ooh. So now my love to you, baby, I surrender. Get ready tonight. Gonna make this a night to remember. Get ready.
Our 68th birthday at Linda, para sa akin, na-realize ko, maybe ang buhay. Stay happy, cherish na natin kung ano meron sa atin araw-araw. Basta laging isipin, laging masaya.
Masaya araw-araw kasi pag masaya ka, nararamdaman din namin ni Ryan yung at salamat sa pagiging generous mo sa amin kay ni Papa.
Happy birthday, Mama Lola. I love you.
Oh, sweet Hawaii.
Get ready.
Sana, parati kang long younger.
Maging healthy kayo ni Papa parati. Tsaka sobrang grateful kami na kayo naging magulang namin sa sobrang generous. Salamat sa lahat ng paggabay, sa walang sawang pakikinig sa lahat ng drama, problema. Alam mo kung gaano ka namin kamahal. And I love you and happy birthday.
Remember. Get ready. Get ready tonight. Gonna make this a night to remember.
Naya masasabi ko lang sa misis ko talagang very responsible mother. Napakabait niyang ina at asawa. Wala naman akong panghihiling ba kung sana patuloy mo yung kabaitan mo. Napakabait na. Yan ang aking best friend, best enemy, and best partner. I love you more than you ever know.
Wow!
Happy birthday!
The rain from falling if you ask me to. I'd do anything for you, your wish is my command. I could move a mountain when your hand is in my hand. Words could not express how much you mean to me. There must be some other way to make you see. If it takes my heart and soul, you know I'd pay the price. Everything that I possess, I'd gladly sacrifice. Oh, you to me are everything, the sweetest song that I could sing. Oh, baby, oh, baby. To you, I guess I'm just a clown who picks you up each time you're down. Oh, baby, oh, baby. You give me just a taste of love to build my hopes upon. You know you got the power, girl, to keep me holding on. So now you got the best of me. Come on and take the rest of me, oh baby. Though you're close to me, we seem so far apart. Maybe given time, you'll have a change of heart. If it takes forever, girl, then I'm prepared to wait. The day you give your love to me won't be a day too late. Oh,